Video stop. Yeah, definitely. I can tell the difference just by removing this little screen right here, little spark arrestor screen on the engine, on the exhaust. Yeah, definitely, definitely, it's a little bit louder, more aggressive. It definitely pulls. It's definitely blowing more air. It's spinning faster. It's spinning up faster, and it's blowing more air on the top end. And it sounds more, more powerful. Basically, that's what I can. Because remember, I use this blower almost every day, so I know what it feels like. When you do a little change like that, you notice the difference. It makes a big difference. So basically, that's it. I mean, I'm just gonna put the little bolts back on to hold the plastic housing. This is part two of the blower spark arrestor removal, because the video shut off on me. I don't know why. But just go to part one, and this is part two, and you can see the difference that it made. It definitely made a difference before. So go see the before and after.